Hello everyone. So friends, in our previous lecture we saw that how we can use verify method on our mock object to verify that certain method was called how many times. So friends, here we were testing add book method where we passed a book request. We created the book instance out of the book request and we did the save. But here we placed a condition that if the price of the book is less than or equal to 500, we don't save the book. So here if you see in the book request, the price we gave is 500. So when we called add book method, we verified that save was called 0 times using the times method. So if I run the test case, so here we saw that the test case ran successfully. So this is what we discussed in our previous lecture. So friend, instead of using times and providing a value 0, there is one better way to perform this operation. What we can do is, let's say simply copy this test and here I give the test name as test save book with book request with greater price. Let's say I give 2. So here instead of using times, Mockito has a method like never, which is also a verification mode. So if I run the test case now, you can see the test case got executed successfully. And by providing never, we are simply verifying that save was never called. And also friend, if we go inside the never, you can see it simply returns the times with a value 0. So here instead of we performing something like this, to make it more readable, we can simply call never. So friend, in this lecture we saw the demonstration of the never method and how we can use this never to simply verify that a certain method was never called on the mock object. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.